Grammy-winning reggae singer Koffee's hit single Rapture has earned a silver. Well-known keyboard player Nigel Starr is reportedly responding positively to treatment after suffering a stroke over the weekend. Starr is being treated at the Tony Thwaites wing of the University Hospital of the West Indies. The award-winning keyboardist was honored at the American Society of Composers, Authors and Publishers ASCAP for Pop Music Awards. Starr is a prominent figure in dancehall music, having co-produced Give It Up To Me by Sean Paul and Keisha Cole, and has also done work on Drop Leaf, Junkanoo, Blue Steel, Cool Fusion, French Vanilla and Season Rhythms. E-Prime sends a speedy recovery to Nigel Starr. Now, Canadian singer The Weeknd's hit track Blinding Lights continues to make history. The single now ties the record of 87 weeks on the Billboard Hot 100 chart. It ties with that of Imagine Dragons' Radioactive, which logged the time between 2012 and 2014. The track was released back in 2019 and spent a historic 43 weeks on the Hot 100's top 5. The single is featured on The Weeknd's album After Hours. Now,